Hey! What? Hey man, listen. Let me go calm down. Because Nasia in the room sleep right now. So what? Like, I've been thinking like, what could I do while she sleep? What could I do? I can make a real loud noise. And what better noise to make than getting a vacuum cleaner? I think the vacuum cleaner in the closet. Bruh, Nasia in there sleep, bro. I'm about to start vacuuming. Like, I'm gonna damn near put the vacuum on her to like wake her out of her sleep just to see her reaction. Now listen, I know I'm sickening, but I do this for y'all. You feel me? I'm sickening, but I do this for y'all. But let me go in and let me go and hurry up before she wake up, man. Before we get into this, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if y'all do, so y'all get notified about these bangers. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram and goddamn someone. Everything you know will be linked down below in the description, man. Let me go and set everything up, man. Cause I ain't got too much time. I don't know when she gonna wake up. I just want her to do this. And yeah, make sure y'all go check out my recent videos, my recent vlogs, recent pranks, all that good stuff. This content on the way, man. Let's get it. I'm about to come out with the loudest shit. I'm about to mess with her. Oh, boy, yo. Okay. Yeah, alright.
Sam, what is you doing?
Huh?
How you vacuuming when I'm trying to sleep?
Huh? Vacuum? What you talking about? I was gonna do this. Nigga, I was gonna do that when you wake up. I ain't had no did nothing right now.
So what just woke me up?
Huh? I was yelling on the game. Go back to sleep. You a bedtime story? Good. Say what now?
I'm trying to sleep.
You trying to sleep? What you? Oh,
why you want to vacuum when I'm asleep?
Oh, the floor looked a little dirty. My fault. Put the pillow over your head. Put the pillow over your head. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Go back to sleep. I'm sorry.
Damn.
What?
Why? Play the game.
My flow a little dirty. I'm just trying to back you
Wake
up.
up.
Huh?
Wait till I wake up. I do it when I wake up. Dang.
Do it when you wake up?
Yeah.
Oh, you said you'll do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we good then. We good then.
Oh, that noise.
We good. Now the girl that's gonna vacuum for me. I'm in the door. You little kickers. You little cute kickers. Too dirty at the moment. What?
Why are you vacuuming me? The bed.
Huh? I saw a little bit of dust. You gave me dust from the fan.
Yeah.
What? You got a little yak in y'all right here. Wipe y'all right here. Let me get it for you. Put y'all just for a second. Look, yeah, you a little something right there. Huh? What you doing?
Shit up. I told you I do it when I wake up.
You'll do it when you wake up. But you might not wake up too.
Damn.
Okay, I see what this room. Okay, then my fault. God damn. My fault.
Damn.
Hey, don't talk to me like that, man. I'm done. I was bored, man. What else could I do? I was bored. I'm sorry.
So you fuck with my beauty sleep.
Your beauty sleep? Well, I don't know about no beauty now. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just had to get a laugh in. It was a prank. I might rock you to sleep. You said leave you alone? You said leave you alone? You said leave you. You're a kid, man. Hell no. Man, wake up. I ain't got nothing to do. The game boring. Wake up, Naja.
So I'm just the backup option.
Yes.
Get up.
So, you saying you should be the first option? So that's why you went to sleep in the first week because I wanted on the game? Naja.
Come on.
Wake up. You up now.
Damn.
You up now. You trying to elbow me?
Could you chilling me in my damn bed?
That's not elbowing though. What hurt versus elbow or chin?
I feel like your chin feel like that. So.
But if you throw an elbow, it's gonna hurt. I'm not throwing a chin.
God.
Who you cutting off? You hot? You hot? Oh yeah, you hot. Let me turn the fan on.
You got me hot.
Huh? You said I got you hot? I was bored, man. I ain't had nothing else to do. It's a beautiful day outside. You wanna go to sleep and shit? Like, wake up. We ain't got no job. We ain't got shit to do. What day is Tuesday? No, what you wiping off your face? What you wiping off your face just now? Oh, no, you trying to kick me? What was that? Do it again?
No.
They ain't see it. Do it again. What is that? You trying to kick me away?
Come closer, find out.
Come closer. Little bro gonna take care for me.
Not touching my child.
That's not your child. That's not, damn, I can't believe I won that a year ago. Time flies, Nisha. And that's not your child. She always called that her child. So who's the dad? Who's the dad? Just say it. Who's the dad?
I hate when people ask me questions they know.
I don't know. That's what I'm asking. I think she's trying to indicate there's meanness. Matter of fact, that is my child. Because I'm not of this earth. I'm not of this planet. So, like, I produce some type of alien. You said, did I face what you just did? Now when I say I produce an alien, you shaking your head. I'm doing too much. Because I'm from another planet. Like Future said, I'm from another planet. Yeah, yes I am.
Damn, why you from Earth?
I'm from another planet. Like Future and Uzi said, and them they top 5 in my rap shit. They from another planet. Pluto and baby Pluto. I ain't from Pluto, but I know I'm not from this planet. I'm from another planet. Yeah, yes I am. I got you, baby mammy. She love who I am. Panoramic with the turbo boost. You don't know nothing about that old Future. You don't know nothing about that old Future.
I don't know.
Yes you do. Yes you do. Get up with your tired ass. Get up.
Stop.
Hey, I go get that vacuum cleaner again. What you gonna do?
Then I'll vacuum your fucking ass.
Say less. Say less.
Sam, come on.
Say less.
Cut that shit on and slap the hell out of you. Sam, cut it on and slap the hell out of you.
You do what?
Cut it on and slap the hell out of you.
I'm so bored. I'm done messing with you. I'm done messing with you. Y'all witness this now. Y'all, this is proof right here that. See what I'm saying?
I told you don't do it. What you do?
I did it anyway. Alright, listen, man. I'm about to go wrap this thing up, man. If y'all enjoyed today's video, man, big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to It's Nasia. Link down below in the description. Go follow us on Instagram. All type of shit. I dropped a hard ass reel for my car content. Y'all need to go watch that
But
video.
you were talking about car reel, but not our reels. You know what?
I said go follow us on Instagram.
Yo,
I said go follow us on Instagram so they can see them all. Now I'm putting the car reel. Anyway, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys and girls in the next video, man. I'm out. Dang, love y'all.
That game too serious. I ran that bag up on my own, do that shit fast and furious. I ain't got a jock, a nigga flow is off the dome, ain't no I'm sick. But it's a triple caught them Pete, say you my dog, can change up for no dick. That Thule for my nigga, lonely Ralph, I really miss my nigga. I'm a shooter, I don't do no miss. Them hoes ain't got a thing when I be down, the cloak gon' stand on bad. You round if you ain't bound to